To transfer funds from Binance to a Web3 wallet, such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet, follow these steps. Log in. Sign into your Binance account using your credentials. Access wallet. Once logged in, navigate to the wallet section on the Binance platform. Select withdraw. Within the wallet section, locate and select the option to withdraw funds from Binance. Choose asset. Choose a specific cryptocurrency or asset you wish to transfer from Binance to your Web3 wallet. Ensure that both Binance and your Web3 wallet support the selected asset for transfers. Enter wallet address. Obtain the wallet address for your Web3 wallet. In the withdrawal form on Binance, enter the wallet address of your Web3 wallet as the recipient address. Specify amount. Enter the amount of the asset you want to transfer from your Binance to your Web3 wallet. Confirm withdrawal. Review the withdrawal details, including the recipient address and withdrawal amount. Confirm the withdrawal to initiate the transfer. Verify. After initiating the withdrawal, open your Web3 wallet and monitor the transaction to ensure that the transferred funds are reflected in your wallet balance.